Hello guys, today I'll be doing an unboxing video. Unfortunately, I actually reopened it up. It's actually a kalimba. I opened it up because I wanted to play with it. Well, this is as good as it'll get because, well, let's just open it and see what's inside first. Oh, right, inside the kalimba box. Oh, what does it come with? It comes with this thing. It's a tuner. I have no idea how to use this. It's got little cute thumb things so you can do with your thumbs. And then obviously inside we have the kalimba. But other than that, we also have kalimba booklet. You can see you can have it tells you what it is, but it's all in Chinese because I got it from China. It's a lot cheaper. But yeah, here you go. They even teach you these things, and they even have some music. So maybe later I'll just show you how to play some of the songs on this new kalimba. What else do they come with? They also come with a cloth to wipe and the keys, and as well as this strip. Okay, what the strip is for, I'll show you in a minute. This is the kalimba. So here we go. Yep, the kalimba looks like this. Oh, it's upside down. Yes, as you can see, I've already stuck on the red. Yeah, the red strips are. You can see it's got a very nice sound. So, yep. This company, I think it's what, Yale or something like that. Okay, and on top of that, I also got a kalimba bag to go along with it. So, yes, I'll put the description and the link below. So, alright guys, so today I'll be doing something with the kalimba. I'll be trying to play some music. So, you can see, here we have some music sheets. There's a lot of things, I don't know how to play a lot of them. So, we'll be just playing with something simple. You are my sunshine. Can you all see this? Maybe I'll just put it here and I'll just read it off. Okay, as you can see here we have some of these things. The red strip is actually to make it easier so that you can read the notes. You can see with the red strips, just follow accordingly and you can do it. So let's try having some fun with the kalimba. You are my sunshine. Let's try this. Okay, I'm not very good at this, so don't flame me for this, but... Wait, is it wrong? Oh, sorry. Okay, I messed it up. Oh well. Take one. We'll do take two next. Okay, so round one was a failure. Let's try it again. With a bit of practice of like 2 minutes practicing. Sounds nice, so let's try again. Wait, hold on. Again. Oh, yay! Kalimba. Hey, wait, no, Kalimba. Okay, there's some other song I know how to play. Not really, but let's try this out again. See if anyone recognizes the tune. It's not from this book, by the way. Just something I know how to play a bit. Okay, here it goes. Okay, halfway done. Yes, okay, as you guessed, that was the swordsman theme from Xiao Jianghu. Hey, wait, no, that is Xiao Jianghu. Anyway, here is Shanghai Yisen Xiao. Okay, anyway, as you can see behind the kalimba, there are actually two holes. The holes are actually supposed so you can do like vibrato. I have no idea how to do it. And there's a hole in the middle which sound comes out from. It's also used so you can make the wah wah sound. Okay, maybe I'm doing it wrongly, but that's what I heard. So anyway, that's it for the Kalimba video unboxing. Not really unboxing, because I already unboxed it, but Kalimba! Yay!